Hello and welcome to Title24.Solar, your direct resource for all things solar. Our team of engineers have removed the confusion from the solar equation and reduced solar into its simplest form. You can simply choose one of our pre-engineered system for your project. It is that simple. In addition to residential solar systems, we specialize in smaller systems for mobile homes, recreational vehicles, carports, awnings, golf carts, boating, camping and mobile job site. Anywhere you need power, Title24.Solar can provide the power you need.
We have 5 standard solar kits to choose from. They are the Bumblebee, the Dragonfly, the Sparrow, the Hawk, and the Eagle. All kits are pre-engineered with 355 watts load profile, black Solaria solar panels. The system is controlled with state-of-the-art on-phase microinverters. All system real-time monitoring through your smartphone. Keep in mind all of our systems can be designed with auxiliary battery systems for off-grid application.
Tight on the budget? Not to worry. Introducing the Grasshopper Solar Camping Kit. 500-watt battery generator and 100-watt solar panel. Save yourself hundreds. Now you are truly running on clean green power.
You ready? 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 You ready?